Guys, today I will make a short video about the new topic on YouTube, that is on the YouTube handle. YouTube is actually giving a handle, means actually like Instagram ID, ID. With that ID, anyone can search your channel actually directly. So let me discard this. I'll tell you how can you. This is my channel, Sikh Custom. So uh, here you can see my logo. So with that logo, you have to click that logo. You have to click here, edit profile. I came here, YouTube Studio, YT Studio. You can edit from that youtube.com on your channel. You can edit from it from YouTube Studio as well. So I am showing from YouTube Studio. Okay, let's proceed. Edit channel. So you can see my channel name. This is the handle. So I'll change this handle. See here, you can change. So I will type Sikh Custom, my channel name. Okay, it is valid or not, they will tell. If it is not valid, they will means you have to check. After writing, they will show like let me show. I am writing my name. See, this handle is already taken by someone else. So you have to type another number or something like that. I gave 10, so you can do it. You have to check after typing. So I am typing my channel name, Sikh Custom. So it is available, so you can do. You have to take as early as possible, because everyone is knowing about the YouTube handle and everyone is taking name or their channel's name they are giving as they want. So if you want specific, so you have to be hurry. So I will just click save. So what it happen if suppose a new channel, you created a new channel. So what will happen? So what will happen there, if your channel is not monetized or your channel is not so much famous, so you can if you search with that handle, you will get your channel easily. So that is the thing YouTube provide here. So make your handle as early as possible. Thank you.